Did you know that egg yolks can boost your brain health? Let's crack open the science behind it. Egg yolks are rich in choline, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in brain function and development. Choline supports memory, attention, and learning. Choline in egg yolks helps produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that regulates memory and learning. This can improve cognitive function and reduce age-related memory decline. Egg yolks contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. This can help prevent neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Incorporating egg yolks into your diet can be easy and delicious. Try adding them to omelettes, salads, or baked goods. Aim for 1 to 2 egg yolks per day to reap the brain-boosting benefits. Egg yolks are a simple and effective way to support brain health. With their rich choline content and antioxidant properties, they can help improve memory, learning, and overall cognitive function. Give egg yolks a try and unlock your brain power. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more amazing poultry facts.